Scene script. Have you ever wondered how the snowy owl, a symbol of wisdom and mystery, thrives in the harsh Arctic conditions? This large white owl, also known as the polar owl, is native to the Arctic regions of North America and the Palearctic. What sets it apart from others in the owl family is its striking white plumage, a unique adaptation to its snowy habitat. The females, however, display more brown flecks, adding to their beauty and intrigue. Unlike most of its nocturnal kin, the snowy owl is active during the day, especially in the summer. This diurnal lifestyle is a remarkable adaptation, and it's a testament to the owl's resilience and versatility. You might be wondering, how does an owl survive in such an extreme environment? Well, the snowy owl is not only a specialized hunter, but also a generalist. It can adapt its hunting skills according to the availability of prey, making it a formidable predator in its icy domain. The snowy owl is a ground nester, laying large clutches of eggs directly on the tundra. This might seem unusual for a bird, but it's another testament to the owl's adaptability. Living in a land where trees are scarce, the snowy owl has learned to make do with what's available. Perhaps the most intriguing aspect of the snowy owl is its nomadic nature. Unlike many birds that have predictable migration patterns, the snowy owl's movements can be erratic and unpredictable. They might stay in one place for a while, then suddenly decide to migrate hundreds of miles away. This nomadic lifestyle is a fascinating aspect of their behavior, showing their ability to adapt to changing conditions and resources. Originally described by Carl Linnaeus, the snowy owl's story is a fascinating journey from its discovery to its current status. With fewer than 100,000 individuals and 28,000 breeding pairs left in the wild, every aspect of their lifestyle, every adaptation they've made, is crucial for their survival. And as we delve deeper into the world of the snowy owl, we'll come to appreciate just how incredible these creatures truly are. The snowy owl's discovery is a tale intertwined with human exploration of the Arctic. These majestic creatures, with their white plumage that blends seamlessly into the icy landscapes, were first described by none other than Carl Linnaeus. Linnaeus, often known as the father of modern taxonomy, was the first to document the snowy owl's unique characteristics, including its stark white plumage and distinctive hunting patterns. The snowy owl's story doesn't stop there. This Arctic bird shares a close relation with horned owls, a bond that is visible in their shared physical traits and lifestyles. However, this relationship is more than just skin deep. Genetic testing has peeled back the layers of this connection, revealing a fascinating twist in the tale. Despite their similarities, snowy owls are approximately 8% genetically distinct from other bubo owls. This intriguing difference sets them apart in the owl family, highlighting the snowy owl's unique place in the world of ornithology. But the story of the snowy owl is not just about its present or even its recent past. This bird's tale stretches back thousands of years, its roots buried deep in the icy ground of the Arctic. The fossil history of snowy owls shows that they once had a much wider distribution during the Ice Age. This discovery offers a tantalizing glimpse into the snowy owl's ancient past, painting a picture of a time when these birds soared across a vastly different world. The tale of the snowy owl's discovery and exploration is more than just a scientific journey. It's a testament to the power of curiosity and the unending quest for knowledge. It's a story that weaves together the threads of nature, history, and science, a story that continues to unfold as we learn more about this captivating creature. Once distributed more widely during the Ice Age, the snowy owl's fossil history offers a glimpse into its ancient past. Surviving in the Arctic requires special adaptations, and the snowy owl is a master of survival. The snowy owl, also known as the polar owl or Arctic owl, is a species that has truly made the Arctic regions of North America and the Palearctic its home. Its large white body is a testament to its ability to blend into the snowy landscapes, providing it with a unique advantage when it comes to both hunting and escaping predators. While the males are almost entirely white, the females display more brown flecks, adding a touch of camouflage against the rocky Arctic tundra. Unlike many of their nocturnal cousins, snowy owls are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. This adaptation is particularly useful in the summer months, when the Arctic experiences almost continuous daylight. But don't mistake their daytime activity for a lack of hunting prowess. Snowy owls are both specialized and generalist hunters. They can swoop down on their prey with precision and stealth, their primary diet consisting of lemmings and other small mammals that inhabit the Arctic tundra. Nesting habits of the snowy owl are also quite unique. Instead of nesting in trees or high places, snowy owls typically nest on the ground. They lay large clutches of eggs, sometimes up to 10 at a time, which is unusual for a bird of prey. This behavior can be attributed to the harsh and unpredictable nature of their habitat, where ensuring the continuation of the species is a challenge. Yet, their ability to adapt does not stop there. Snowy owls are nomadic creatures, capable of migrating unpredictably in response to food availability. This means that they can travel great distances in search of food during times of scarcity, showcasing their resilience and adaptability. Despite being a distinct species, snowy owls share close genetic ties with horned owls, with genetic testing revealing an approximately 8% distinction from other bubo owls. Their fossil history indicates a wider distribution during the Ice Age, suggesting their ability to adapt to environmental changes over time. In the modern world, there are no subspecies or geographical variations among snowy owls. They do not interbreed with other owl species in the wild, maintaining their unique genetic identity, although hybrids have been bred in captivity. Despite its survival skills, the snowy owl faces challenges that threaten its existence. But the resilience and adaptability of this magnificent creature continue to inspire awe and respect. Their story is a testament to the wonders of evolution and the harsh beauty of the Arctic. From fewer than 100,000 individuals to 28,000 breeding pairs, the snowy owl's population is dwindling. This dramatic shift in numbers draws attention to the precarious situation of the snowy owl, a bird that has long been an emblem of the Arctic's stark beauty. The exact reasons for the decline of the snowy owl population are complex and varied, but a few key factors stand out. First and foremost is the loss of their natural habitat. The Arctic regions, where these owls reside, are increasingly affected by climate change. Warming temperatures disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem, affecting the availability of prey and suitable nesting sites. Another significant threat to the snowy owl population is human activity. Increased development in the Arctic and the presence of humans in their habitats lead to disturbances during the breeding season, which can have detrimental effects on their population. From oil drilling to wind farm construction, the encroachment of human activities into the snowy owl's home is a matter of concern. Additionally, the snowy owl's nomadic nature and unpredictable migration patterns further complicate their conservation. Their movements are often driven by the availability of their preferred prey, lemmings, whose numbers fluctuate wildly. This makes it difficult to establish consistent protected areas for the owls. Despite these challenges, efforts are underway to conserve the snowy owl and its habitat. Conservationists, researchers, and even ordinary citizens are playing a part in these endeavors. Through monitoring programs, habitat preservation initiatives, and public education, these dedicated individuals are striving to secure a future for the snowy owl. For example, ringing programs have been established to track the movements and lifespan of snowy owls. These initiatives provide valuable data that can inform conservation strategies. Meanwhile, efforts to limit human disturbance in critical breeding areas are helping to safeguard these birds during their most vulnerable period. Public education also plays a crucial role in the conservation of the snowy owl. By raising awareness about the threats these creatures face and promoting responsible behavior in their habitats, we can contribute to the survival of this remarkable species. The plight of the snowy owl is a stark reminder of the broader challenges faced by wildlife worldwide. As we grapple with the impacts of climate change and human activity, the survival of species like the snowy owl hangs in the balance. However, the story of the snowy owl is not just one of decline and danger, it's also a story of resilience and adaptability. Despite the odds, these birds continue to survive and even thrive in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. The snowy owl's tale is a testament to nature's resilience and the urgent need for conservation. Let's hope that with continued efforts, the snowy owl's story will be one of recovery and resurgence, a beacon of hope in the face of adversity. The snowy owl's story is one of survival, adaptation, and resilience. This remarkable bird, also known as the polar owl or Arctic owl, stands as a testament to the power of evolution, honed to perfection in the unforgiving Arctic regions of North America and the Palearctic. It's a creature of the cold, its stunning white plumage a unique adaptation for survival in its icy homeland. This owl's lifestyle is as fascinating as its appearance. Unlike many of its nocturnal cousins, the snowy owl is active during the day, especially during the endless daylight of the Arctic summer. This owl is both a specialist and a generalist when it comes to hunting, demonstrating an impressive versatility in its diet. Its nesting habits are equally intriguing. The snowy owl often chooses to nest on the ground, laying large clutches of eggs, a strategy that has served it well in the wide-open expanses of the Arctic. This bird is a nomad, migrating unpredictably, its movements as elusive as the winter snowstorms it calls home. Yet, for all its strength and adaptability, the snowy owl is not immune to the challenges facing our planet. The global population of this iconic species is on the decline, with fewer than 100,000 individuals and 28,000 breeding pairs left. Conservation efforts are more critical now than ever to protect this symbol of the Arctic. The snowy owl's story is not just about survival, but also about the interconnectedness of all life on our planet. Every detail, from its unique genetic makeup to its fossil history, tells us something about the world we share with this extraordinary bird. With its striking white plumage and fascinating lifestyle, the snowy owl continues to captivate us as a symbol of the Arctic's stark beauty and harsh realities. As we strive to understand and protect this remarkable species, we are reminded of our responsibility to all the creatures we share this earth with and the delicate balance that sustains us all.